Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is August the 4th, 2020. We're going to talk about Cronos. It's been a very long time since we last did our video in Cronos. As a matter of fact, it was March 23rd, 2019 of when we did our last price forecast for Cronos. So if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel because it's our premise to continue to show you all the news according to the price chart without being confused and give you expectation or an idea of where the trap is trying to take the value of these many products that we cover on this channel. And the next thing is that you want to join us on our website at HueFinancial.com in order to see all of our other price predictions and forecasts according to the price chart. Now let's talk about Cronos because it's been such a long time. We needed to update this particular chart because we was looking at the market and Cronos following this ascending line in this space, and you can see that that trend was broken on or around the week of September the 16th, 2019. That's when the market in Cronos broke the trend, and that was your indication, your idea to say that okay, the trap is not feeling as bullish as he once was back during the weeks of January 2019 all the way to like March of 2019. That trend was broken. So we need to come in and update you all on this particular stock. We need to make a determination as to whether this particular stock is still in an uptrend or is it going to begin a new uptrend, or we're just going to hold consolidation for some time. Okay. Now let's take a look at Cronos on the monthly time frame real quick. And you can tell here that we have been in a consolidational phase over the last 5 months. We're still in that consolidational phase. I would tell you that the trap definitely likes, around that $6 price level to be held as support. And the reason is because during the month of July, the market didn't react to the weakness that came through in June. So $6 is support into the market for Cronos. You can see that here back in 2018 as well, from May, June, July, and August, that the market trap held $6 as support. We're now back at that price level again. You guys can see what occurred at that particular time back in 2018, and it looked like that process is trying to begin once again. Okay, so we need to change or alter this line. It's our whole idea to only play where the market trap is at. The market is not trading on this line anymore, so we don't need it to keep it there. We simply need to move it to where the trap is actually holding price. And as I told you, is right here around $6. Okay. Now you might see other people try to come in and place an ascending line here in Cronos to substantiate that the market is in a uptrend. You can do that as well. Take a look at Cronos back on the weekly time frame. Again, we're just really holding consolidational trading right now. I do like how the market on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, is making higher lows, simply meaning that the market trap is stair-stepping his way higher in price. The only restriction area nearby is $8. That's the only thing that's in Cronos' way, in the sense of that can actually keep this price from actually breaking into a bullish uptrend. It's right there around $8. And the market tapped that right there on the week of June the 8th, 2020. The market tapped $8 and then it got rejected and came right back down. So we know that the market trap is not ready yet to start off in a massive bullish trend for Cronos. But just like the market has been consolidating here during this particular moment, the same thing is happening here. The market is just simply consolidating. Okay. So generally what we're seeing into the market in Cronos is an uptrend. And I'm going to rearrange the line that I have drawn. I just want you all to remember that $6 is going to be crucial in the sense of seeing this particular market continue to see higher price. Okay. But we're going to continue to play the trend higher in this space for Cronos. The market is still reflecting strength. But I wanted to tell you, on these weekly price bars right here, there is pressure here. There is sell pressure in the market in Cronos. I don't see the strength overwhelming the weakness right now. The pressure is definitely still hampering the movement higher for Cronos, and the trap is definitely fighting against it, which could give us more pause before the resumption to higher prices will continue. But for us, we're going to continue to go out into this forecast for Cronos with the market moving higher in price. I just wanted to come in and explain to you that there is still sell pressure in the market for Cronos. Hence why the market is still holding this consolidational trading range. Hence why the market is just trading sideways. So it's a process. And I'm not saying that the market's going to catapult tomorrow or even next month, but understand that the weakness is being erased or taken out of the market at this present time. So what we're going to do, we are going to put in a forecast into the market on the weekly time frame for Cronos, and we would definitely like the market trap to try to hold $5.75 in around that particular price, because it will substantiate that the trend is still in play for Cronos to continue to see higher price. So we would definitely like to see that, but just to give us a little cushion, we're going to try to take it all the way back down to around $5. Okay, $8 is restriction. We talked about that earlier because the market tagged that on the week of June the 8th. So we're going to hold that for TP. But we're going to increase it all the way back up here to around $9 in the market for Cronos. So we have our TP at right there in around $8. It might tag down a little bit lower, like around $7.75, give or take. Might want to skim off a little bit there too on our forecast as well. But generally, we're going to continue to play some of this market strength and Cronos with the market moving higher in price. TP around $8, $7.75. But ultimately, if that market pressure of selling gets erased, it won't be a problem for the market to try to come in and tag at $9. So you guys got questions and comments, always let us know. Join us here on this particular platform. Like, share the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on our website, and also all the other social media platforms. The links are in the description. Simple. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you on the next one.